Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this project, I'm doing watercolor paint. So this is like a watercolor paper and some watercolor paints. And I just sprayed water on the top. Then I'm going to mm, use this nice bright color and add on that. And you can see that how beautifully it is spreading. And then I'm adding the second color. I like when after spraying the water, then when you put colors, how it starts blending and spreading it. That is the beautiful thing. So I added now the black color. I like the combination of orange, pink, and black. So it automatically blends because it's already wet. Now I would uh, let it dry naturally, but I'm going to use the heater and dry it. Then I'm going to use this text stamp, and then I'm going to add that in the different areas. And I'm using archive a link for that. Then I'm using some kind of like a striped stamp. I'm going to see if these are available. I'm going to put it in the description box. Some of them I purchased in Temu. I'm sure some of them I bought it from Amazon, but I'm going to find it and see if I can, um, if it is available, I can post it. So I'm using white paint and use instead of black, I'm using white paint and stamping on that. Then again, I'm going to use this another stamp, which is like a circle, grungy circle stamp. So I'm going to darken the one which is not stamped properly. So I'm using Posca pen for that. If you have a good ink and stamp, then you don't have to worry about it. Then I'm going to use acrylic paint pen, and that is I'm using blue color pen. I think it is from King's Art. So, but you can use any blue acrylic paint pen. Then I'm using this white paint pen. I'm just going to do some doodling. I'm just trying to look for the nice and bright white. So I'm kind of redoing it on that so it gets nice and bright. Then I'm going to take some white paint and spray water on that and then splatter it on the top. and I'm going to let it dry. This is a very small project, so I'm going to let it dry. Then I'm going to use this blue color leaf as a focal point. And I'm going to then I'm going to finish this project. I'm going to add the coat on the project, and then I'm going to finish it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button and leave your comments below.